we have a like-new black Bugari 280 gold piano accordion. This has a 4-reed configuration on the right-hand side with low, middle, middle, middle. It is a full 41 keys on the right hand and 120 basses on the left hand. Have no tone chamber, so a very direct and very brilliant, beautiful sound here. You can hear the bassoon, the bandonion, the accordion switch, and then also another 2 middle and low combination. Get you that dirty, swampy Zydeco sound. The full master, which is also available as a master bar. All 3 middles for a full musette, which works nicely in a Zydeco type setting or in a polka setting. Now we have 2 of the mids together for a drier sound. And another sort of wet sound. So this accordion has a full musette on it, but it's not a very, very wide musette. So it gives you a lot of potential for that middle-of-the-road sound that works in a lot of different kinds of music. Here we have 1 middle. Here we have the other middle. So you'll hear that those 2 middles are fairly close together. On the left hand, we have 7 registers with the 120 bass buttons. And you have sounds that range from little calliope, or as a polka.